Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today we will be doing this 15 random facts about me. So, let's find out. Ben, kinakabahan ako. This is gonna be the first time. So, tingnan natin kung anong masasagot ko. Nag-select lang ako ng mga random questions. Ginawa ko siya sa Pinterest. So, question number 1. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is green. Green kasi I'm a nature lover by birth siguro. Kasi ang parents ko both are forester, and throughout my younger years talagang green lagi ang nakikita ko lang. As in, kahit mga libro sa bahay, puro mga about forest, about nature, and all. And, ano ba yan? Napakahaba. Second question is, what is your favorite drink? My favorite drink, when it comes to liquor, is this, oh my goodness. Kasi hindi ako umiinom ng soda. Hold on. I'm sorry about that. Shit, nakalimutan ko. Vendi. I think Vendi. Yeah, let me see if it's Vendi. Drink. So, my favorite drinks when it comes to liquor, yung Verdi. Papakita ko yung photo nun. Sobrang sarap niya. Simple lang. Para ka lang umiinom ng sparkling cider. Hindi ako kasi yung palainom din. Umiinom ako before when I was in college. Kasi mga beer, ganun lang naman yung mga inom natin dati. But ngayon, nung nandito ako, nung natikman ko yung Verdi, ang sarap niya. As in, it's not too strong, hindi rin siya hindi siya yung mapait. Kasi ayoko ng mga wine or liquor na mapait. And then, question number 3. What is your favorite subject in school? Ang favorite ko na alam ko na nagtatap ako nun or nakaka-perfect ako ng mga exams is yung solid mensuration. Para siyang kind of a geometry na kukompute-compute ka ng mga shapes, yung mga polygons, ganun. May mga siya. Basta gusto ko siya. Kasing yun yung pinakamadaling ng part ng geometry. Second is drawing. Kasi, for all you know, dapat kukuha ako ng either interior designing or architecture. But then, ayaw ng parents ko. So, ayun. Pero kaya, until now, gusto ko pa rin when it comes to arts or sa drawing. So, pag nag-start ka kasi ng engineering, meron kang drawing 101, 102, ganyan. So, ayan, favorite ko yung dalawang yan. Solid mensuration and drawing. What would you name your kids? So far ngayon, ang naiisip namin na ini-name in case it's gonna be tawag nito, yung combination ng name namin is Zoana. Kasi ang pangalan niya is Edson, and then my name is Annalisa. So, yun. Next question is, what is your favorite sports? Obviously, I'm not that physically fit human being. Pero, ang gusto ko na, alam mo yun, yung kaya ko naman is badminton. What is your favorite holiday? Holiday specifically, wala naman. Pero I would say, I know this is not a holiday, but something to celebrate, something that we do remember is, of course, yung birthdays ng loved ones ko. Kasi that is something you have to be thankful kasi they're still around. They had another year of their lives with you. So, yun. And then, the next question, have you been out of the country? If yes, what are those countries? Okay. Yeah, I've been out of the country since 2009. Never ko talagang naisip na, alam mo yun, mag-a-abroad ako or lalabas ako ng bansa by that time. Kasi, alam mo yun, parang napaka-low ng self-confidence ko na parang nahihiya ako, natatakot ako, ganyan. Basta ang dami kong fear. So, yes, nakalabas na ako. First na country na lumabas ako is Dubai. I've been there for 3 years. So, nung work ako ng Dubai, kasi tuwing umuwi ako, nagbabakasyon ako ng Pilipinas every year. I see to it na meron akong stopover in between na country na madadaanan ko. Like, ang dalawang nadaanan ko is Hong Kong, Singapore, Malaysia din. And then, after ng Dubai ko, pinadala na ako sa Amerika ng dati kong company. So, they sent me to America, and then, since my sister is in Canada, nagpunta rin ako ng Canada. Yun lang, so far. So, next question is, do you speak other languages? I don't, hindi naman yung fluent na sa other languages, but I have encountered several languages such as Indian, Arabic, Spanish, konting Spanish lang, and then, ano pa ba? Yeah, that's it so far, and of course, English. And then, do you have siblings? Yeah, I have siblings. We are 3. I'm the youngest, so my brother is the eldest, and then second, yung sister ko. And then, what is your favorite restaurant? My favorite restaurant so far is a Vietnamese restaurant, which is in our area lang. Pakalapit lang, parang 2 minutes drive. I can eat that once a week siguro, not every day. Ano pa ba? Yeah, yun lang. Second siguro is yung ramen house. Ay, Rai Rai Ramen ang pangalan nun eh. Rai Rai Ramen. So, Vietnamese, Rai Rai Ramen, and then meron akong bagong na-discover na parang pizza place. It's a pizza owned by an Indian, and ang name ng restaurant na to is Singas. Pero sobrang sarap ng pizza nila. As in, para siyang Greenwich. Pero ito, alam mo yung hindi yung ganong kalaking mga servings, tapos manipis lang siya. And sobrang sarap niya talaga. Yun lang. Next question. Who is your favorite YouTuber?
My favorite YouTubers sa local sa Pilipinas, I'd say I have 3 top favorites. 3 or 4 na ngayon. Gusto ko talaga si Ankuts, and then si Anakay. Si Anakay, yun yung dalawang pinakagusto ko na hindi ako nagsasawang manood sa videos nila. And then lately lang, like few months ago, si Simply Race, na-enjoy ko yung the way na, basta mag-vlog siya, and nakikita ko yung pagiging down to earth niya, as people says. Which is, it's kind of true. Although hindi ko siya kilala.
And then si Ate Chris Lumagi. Si Chris Lumagi, kasi nakikita ko naman sa kanila ng asawa niya, si Justin. They are so passionate about what they are doing. Hindi lang because gusto nilang mag-earn or kumita, pero nakikita ko na talagang yung dedication nila to do this. Like, they are really a team para gawin yung, alam mo yung, nakikita ko yung pagplano nila yung the way they plan, and then yung effort nila na mag-create ng props para lang makapag-entertain.
And then sa international naman, oh my God, I think si Justin, yung siya yung nag-reviews ng mga more on tech reviews, siya naman ang go-to ko when it comes to tech reviews or any new gadgets, ganyan.
And next question is, PC or Mac?
I've been an Apple user for a couple of years now, so I would say Mac. Although sa PC, when it comes to work, mas convenient talaga ang PC. Kasi mas madami kang magagawa, and then what else? Yung compatibility ng lahat, mas okay ang PC. Pero pag personal use ko, I prefer Mac. Mas din. Pero ang Mac kasi madalas sinasabi ng iba, mahirap gamitin yan. Pero it's not true. Nasanay lang kasi tayo sa PC, pero pag once you use Mac, it's more convenient, mas madali din siyang gamitin. So that's it.
Next question. Soup or salad? Soup. Paborito ko ang sopas. I'm not really into salad, pero pag nasa mood or gusto mong yung refreshing lang na nagsasalad din. And then, second to the last question, what is your favorite vacation? Favorite vacation ko, of course, ang number one na favorite vacation ko, yung pagpunta namin ng Arizona. Yun yung gift sa akin nun ni Edson. So, nagpunta kami for like 4 days and napakasaya talaga. That was my most memorable vacation kasi alam mo yun, medyo struggle kasi mag-hike ka sa mga red rocks, pero it's so fulfilling. Lalo na yung pag-akyat namin sa Devil's Bridge. That's the best place I've ever gone. And then, of course, aside from yung sa Arizona, yung pag-uwi-uwi ko din ng Pilipinas to be with my family, that's always be my favorite one. No matter kahit gaano kainit pa ang Pilipinas, kahit gaano pa ka-polluted yan, kahit sabihin pa ng iba, ayoko umuwi ng Pilipinas kasi magastos, ganyan-ganyan. Pero hindi yan matatapatan ng kahit gaano kagandang lugar. Ba yun? Yeah, there's no place like home. And then the last one is my dream job always to become an interior designer. So, yun. For all you know, I actually work as an electronics engineer now. Pero, before ako mag-college, gusto ko maging interior designer. Pero, my parents don't want me to basta-basta kikita unless talagang napakaganda ng mga ng output mo or yun. Although tama naman siguro, may point sila, but if you become passionate of what you do, but if you're gonna be passionate of what you do, nothing's gonna go wrong or hindi mo maiisip lahat ng mga negative things na yun. And ayun, ipupush mo talaga. So, ayun lang guys. Thank you for watching and I hope you had a little bit idea of who I am. And thank you again for being with me always, for watching my videos. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And then, what else? Hit like and comment down below for any suggestions or any feedback with this video. And thank you again. You have a great day. Bye-bye.